Hello friends, today we will learn how to import data from web in Power BI. So let's start. I want World Happiness Report in our Power BI desktop. So I'm writing World Happiness Report, clicking on this first link. As you can see, this World Happiness Report contain all the information for different year. I am copying this link, go to Power BI environment, click on get data, and pasting my URL in URL box. Okay. This navigator page showing different table which are present on our web page. So we need to look up which table is of our meant. We don't need to click on this checkbox. We just move our cursor so we can look up the preview of table 22 containing all the information. So I am selecting this table by clicking on this checkbox. Load this table to Power BI. Now my table is loading in Power BI environment. As you can see, data are loaded in Power BI environment. First, I want to rename this table 22 as a HR, and also I'm renaming this country or region as a country. Now, I want my system should understand this country as a geolocation, and also I want their globe icon should come because this is a geolocation. For that, I am selecting the country. As you can see, one column tool is appear on top side. Here, data category column is uncategorized. So I am clicking on this drop down and selecting the country. As you can see, globe icon is visible here. Create now one visual. So I am selecting the map, country, in location and scores. Let's see this visual in focus mode. Now I want some formatting here. So I want to change the size of bubbles. So for that we will go in format visual option, clicking on bubble and increasing the size of bubbles. I am selecting the -23. Okay. We can change the color of bubbles also like this. Again, let's do some more formatting. I want legends here. So I'm selecting the GDP. Now you can see the different colors as per GDP. Let's do some more formatting. First, we will do map setting. We can change our map style also, like Arial, dark theme, light theme. I'm selecting the Arial option. Now I'm changing the ligand's position. I want this in bottom center. So as you can see, it is coming in bottom center. Also, I want to change the title. I'm just adding the HR. So it is visible here. We can change the text color also by selecting this. Like I'm selecting this blue color. So see, ligands color are changed. I'm turning on the category labels so you can see the changes here. All these names are visible. Now I want to change the font size of these values so you can see the changes. We can change the font color, font size, bold, italic. Also, we can also change the background color, like here is background is black. Now I am selecting this color so you can see the changes. This is the background. Like this, we can do many more formatting here. Please like and subscribe my channel if you like my video. Thank you.